Welcome to 2-Minute Art Talks with Michael Carini. Today I want to talk to you about what to do when you have a dented canvas. Now this is a little art hack that I picked up decades ago, but this is a good one because there was a time where if I had a canvas and it got a little pucker or a dent on it, I would think, oh my God, this piece is ruined, what am I going to do? But there is a super easy and simple fix for this. And all you need is a little bit of water. So if you ever have a canvas that gets dented, maybe there's some pressure on it, maybe your cat walks across it. Yeah, I'm talking to you over there, Pete. I'm talking to you, Mimi, right there, sleeping over there right now. But if you ever get a dent on your canvas, all you got to do is take the back of that canvas, spray it with water, kind of press it out. You could use your fingers, you could use a little burnishing tool, and then you're going to go put it in the sunlight, let it get a little bit of heat. But canvas, oftentimes, is like cotton. It's a fabric. So if you just go put it in the sun with a little bit of water, it'll reset. And that pucker, that dent, most of the time, you can get it to go away. Same thing with the pressure points if your canvas isn't beveled. You can spray it with water on the back, take a little tool, maybe like a palette knife right here, smooth it out a little bit, put it in the sun, bada bing, bada boom, you're good to go. So don't ever feel like your piece is ruined if it gets a little dent. Oftentimes, it's a super, super easy fix. Let me know your thoughts. I appreciate you being here. Share my videos, and I'll see you next time.